meow, 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 don't make me stray. I'm calling at your window, scratching the glass. Love me now, humans, don't let this pass. Meow, meow, open the door. Come on, I'm begging for more. Baby, love me, let me in. This kitty's heart is yours to win. You're sitting waiting, still flicking with flair. Meow, 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 like you don't care. But I'm the ruler, the king of this land. Bounce to my whiskers and take my command. Meow, meow, open the door. Come on, I'm begging for more. Baby, love me, let me in. This kitty's heart is yours to win. Yes, yours to win. You see me waiting, tail flicking with flair. Meow, 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 like you don't care. But I'm the ruler, the king of this land. Bounce to my whiskers and take my command. Meow, meow, open the door. Come on, I'm begging for more. Baby, love me, let me in. This kitty's heart is yours to win. Every kitty knows the deal. When you're home, it's a royal seal. Meow, meow, you can't resist. Our paw prints mark the love you missed. Yes, yours to win. Meow, 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 the anthem's clear. Love your kitty, keep me near. Scratch the post, nap in the sun. We got by my side, the fun's just begun. Yes, yours to win. Yes, yours to win. Yes, yours to win. Woo! Love your rhythm, the anthem's clear. Love your kitty, keep me near. Scratch the post, nap in the sun. With you by my side, the fun's just begun.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to create music videos featuring a band of cats that will sing, play instruments, and perform. We'll create the images, design the prompts, and then animate them with music created in Suno. To start, we'll go to our last text and generate music. Since I've already written the lyrics, I only need to create the characters. Here's how I did it. I searched for an image on Google and generated the characters based on it. Now, I'll upload the photo and instruct the tool to use it as a reference to create the characters. For example, I'll download a photo of a style I like from Google or generate one elsewhere, then import it here and ask ChatGPT to describe the image. I've already sent the message to ChatGPT and it's now describing the character's details. Once that's done, I'll instruct it to generate images of each character. It will provide prompts for the characters. If the tool says it can't generate them directly, I'll persist and ask again until it starts generating. Great. I'll then request a widescreen format, full screen. As you can see, it's generating similar visuals. Next, I'll work on the story to align it with the music. I have the lyrics saved in another chat, so I'll retrieve them. Now we'll generate the content for the entire song. Let's assume the song duration is 2 minutes and 10 seconds. I've now asked the tool to generate the music video, including the shots. I want the video to simulate a live concert, focusing on close-ups and medium shots for the visuals. I'll also specify the video duration. I instructed it to generate the shots step by step. It calculated 24 images to represent the scenes. These aren't detailed yet. It's more like an outline for the entire video. Instead of working on each one separately, I've asked it to generate the images. I started with the first image of the first scene. Let's check if it includes character details. Yes, it does. I'll proceed to ask it to create consistent characters. For instance, this one is the singer. I'll ensure the vocalist aligns with the script. Next, I move to the third character, which represents the instrumentalist. I continue generating each shot one by one, ensuring consistency in the characters. We have 4 characters so far, with 1 more to go. Great. The next one plays the synthesizer or keyboard. For the animation stage, I've requested that the tool add camera movements beneath each image. These will guide the animation process. After troubleshooting, I'll proceed to the next shot. For the instrumentalist character, I'll check whether it aligns with the intended design and story context. If necessary, I'll revisit and adjust any previous steps that couldn't generate correctly. To refine the camera movements, I'll request adjustments to the angles and framing, especially for elements like shot 10. For shot 12, I'll verify its accuracy and confirm it aligns with the narrative. Additionally, I'll attempt a combined scene featuring Shadow and Luna together. If the system successfully integrates both characters into one frame with all the necessary details, I'll confirm the output. Finally, I'll review the generated content to ensure all character details, prompts, and settings have been applied consistently. If any elements are missing, I'll request corrections or add them before finalizing the sequence. Let's see how this turns out. Now we'll check if the character is correctly picked up. There we go. It's working. However, the result seems a bit random. This one looks better. Great. We've got that sorted. Next, we'll continue generating all the images to complete the 24 shots required for a 2-minute animation. The idea is to create enough visuals to cover the duration. Now I'll try generating an image of the whole band to see if it's possible. I asked for the character names since I couldn't remember them. It seems we're working with 5 characters. Unfortunately, the tool isn't respecting all the details of each character when trying to group them together. Adding all 5 characters in a single image is proving to be too complex, but that's okay. We'll manage with individual shots. I'll generate a few more images, for instance, an additional shot of one of the characters. Let's see how it goes. Perfect. Now I'll stop this step and move on to Hailuoai.video, where we'll create the videos. I'll download all these images and upload them to Hailuoai Video to begin animating. The results so far are consistent, but it's a pity that we couldn't include all 5 characters in one shot. I'll proceed by downloading all the individual images and uploading them to Hailuoai.video, where we can add camera movements and additional effects to enhance the animations. Now, in Hailuoai.video, I've already downloaded and uploaded the images one by one. I'll use a corresponding prompt for each photo to align with the story. Let's begin assembling the visuals. Here are some test results I did earlier, and the output looks great. I'm generating videos for each character. After uploading and aligning the images, the system creates animations and we'll wait for it to process them. Once done, we'll return to see the final videos. Back in Hailuoai.video, the videos are ready. Let's review the first one. It looks fantastic. Moving on to the next, we can see the animations vary and can even be interchanged. Instead of creating many static images, this approach allows us to generate dynamic animations. For example, here's the cat playing the guitar or other instruments. These animations can be further improved within Hailuoai Video by clicking on the Recreate button. Changing prompts can give you new animation types, camera movements, zooms, and other effects. This way, you can generate a variety of options and select the best results. Once all animations are finalized, I'll download them. The music, already prepared in Suno, will be synchronized with the videos. I'll align the animations on the timeline, add the music, and edit everything into a cohesive video. The result depends largely on the prompts you use. Even with the same image, you can create multiple variations, making each version unique. Your creativity in using prompts and planning animations determines the final output. Finally, in ChatGPT, you can write additional scripts to keep the video concise. I'll stop here for now. Remember, you can follow us on YouTube, where we upload video tutorials every 3 days. These tutorials demonstrate how to create various types of videos. You can also check out X account, where we showcase more of our work. Don't forget to visit our Patreon page to access exclusive content. Membership is free, and you'll receive notifications about new videos, custom GPTs, and resources to help with your creations. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Bye.